Coach Yengyao gave him a lot of opportunities even when he was making a lot of
Opportunity.
He's such a great motivator.
Oh, this is a great sign for Ginebra.
Kaya hinahanap siya.
Malonzo tries from 20 feet and he knocks it down. Nakatak to the cup, no good. Torres, nasapal dun. Imagine, kumukuha ng rebound, there's Chapin, looking like 2,000.
It's a great ball movement and also everybody running. You can see that wide open shot right there. So, ang simula ng offense ng Ginebra, very comfortable, very fluid. And nagay si Brownlee kasi hindi siya yung akin to, ako lang to. So this is the kind of offense that siguro ito yung confidence na he needs to do more than usual.
Pringo. Oh, Stanley Pringo back
Back
in.
because of the ball movement. And your individual defense is challenged as well. I mean, look at that move by Stanley.
That's fine. Working hard to get another possession. He goes back to Thompson. He had to put it up. Wala, Malonzo skying high for the putback.
Ito na yung pinag-uusapan.
A lot of other things. Thompson, iniiwan kay Malonzo. Binali pa ni Jamie before dropping. Bago sa number na kailangan nila isenya.
Oo.
When it's Scott committing the foul. But that was same old Scotty setting up a teammate.
Yes, nasanay of course sila sa number.
Yao. Brownlee received the bump from Bo. That's going to be third. Kung magsimula yun laro yun, yung mga players ng NLEX who played for coaching. Stan Hardinger, another try. Wala pa rin. Alonso finally collecting.
Laban lang sila eh.
Brownlee was ni Taylor Jr. who is just 6'7".
Yes, to score heavily eh, di ba? Unlike, for instance, Justin Brownlee. We all know he can score, but hindi niya
What a
pinipilit eh,
move!
di ba? Well, just like in that,
Kanina pa sumusubok itong Ginebra to try and capitalize with their size. They finally do so.
comfortable eh, di ba? So, pagka binago mo bigla, maninibago sila. Sometimes, they
Brownlee, you know, at this point, he really needed.
defense eh, mas pinapahirapan nila yung mga tira ng Ginebra except for these offensive boards, no?
Coach Tim, we always know that he prides all his teams to be high. The rebound there. JB to Jamie. Good connection. How much they can bridge this gap. Brownlee. A three-pointer. Tama yung sinabi.
Then pumasok agad dito sa second part, sa second half.
Big block there for Malonzo. So it's better intensity here. 5 straight points and a big stop on the other side.
Yes, actually 3 straight stops yun for Ginebra. Kasi
Hindi man tayo nakadaan sa may dugout ng Ginebra. You know that there was a... And anyway, it's translating to the energy Ginebra's here. Brought in the third quarter.
and this is now a 7-0 run for Ginebra, for Barangay Ginebra, and probably they got some tongue luck.
The steal by Chapin. And we have takeoff at the Mall of Asia Arena.
He will try to stop the fast break as we take a look at this steal and finish by Japet Aguilar.
And Chapin doing what he does kapag you know, he plays with the fans as Pringle explodes on the backdoor cut.
Andre Caracos denying too much, and he recognized that. That's great spacing for him and a great bounce pass by C-Stan.
Well, you know, 8 Tenorio, siya na yung third highest assist man of Barangay Ginebra. The average. What a play there. Brownlee to Stan Hardinger.
Well, so far, Justin Brown,
7 points. Brownlee against Poncherada. JB using the glass. Here's Brownlee again. Brownlee straight to the cup. Ginamit pa yung kaliwa.
ito na, nagising.
Uno yung naman na rain or shine. Look at how Brownlee had to using that track. Tag screen, LA. To see Stan, nagawa na paraan. 3-point range. Oh, big block by Malonzo. Shine ahead. Good move by Stan Hardinger.
Sa ilalim yung kanyang mga tirada sa
2 times in a row, especially against some Coach Tim Cone mentored squad. Pinto finally
for Barangay Ginebra that's playing at par
yeah, ganyan yung sanay tayo.
in this matchup, and wala silang pakialam eh. They're playing with nothing to lose in this game.
Oh, that's a 3-pointer for
Find the open man, and you know, whoever is open, he has the confidence to take the shot.
good execution on offense. The players responded. Nung naghanap siya ng stops on the defensive end,
He can do.
yeah, he also had a good stint with Marinerong Filipino in the
That's
CBA
right,
League.
yes.
Now, ano form? Siguro medyo ganun.
Yung hindi masyadong malaking pangalan, pero
Amen. Pita had a couple of threes here. He had one more. Kahit yung mga attacking ganyan,
masama gising today ng Ginebra. But we all know that this is not the Ginebra